Good morning, everyone. I hope everybody's doing fantastic today. My name is Matt, and welcome to my Yin Yoga channel. And today I'm going to guide you through a 15-minute quick morning Yin Yoga flow. So we're just going to awaken our body, loosen up everything, and just get into this smoothly so that we can feel our best for the rest of the day ahead. And that's why I like morning practices, because your body's cool and your muscles are cold. Therefore, all the stress you apply directly goes into your ligament, joints, and tendons. So today I would just like to share with you that today's theme is going to be about observing and being open to the beauties of life and the small things around you that can bring you a lot of joy if you open your eyes and you're receptive to them. So let's focus on that while we dive into today's morning routine. So we're going to start with one big inhale. And on the exhale, we're going to place our left hand on the mat and just curve our arm in the air above our head to open up the side of our body, staying in the seated position. And then we're going to bring our focus to our breath as usual, working on calming our breath down, slowing things down, appreciating the moment for what it is. And on your next exhale, we can release. We're going to come back to the middle. And then one big inhale. And on the exhale, bring your right hand to the ground. Scoop your left arm over and above and lean towards the right side of your mat. And on your next exhale, we're going to release and slowly come back to the middle. So from here, staying in the seated position, we're just going to bring our legs in front of us, crossing our ankles or our shins, one on top of the other like this. And we're just going to take one big inhale. And on the exhale, we're going to dive forward, walking our fingertips, opening up our low back and spine. And just holding it here. And on your next exhale, you can walk your fingertips very slowly backwards, coming all the way up. And now we're going to get into straddle pose, but I'm going to invite you, if you have blocks nearby, to bring them underneath your legs. Just like this, you place 2 blocks underneath your knees, and then you can open up the flesh of your sit bone. And from here, we're going to take one big inhale. And on the exhale, once more, dive forward and find your edge and hold it there. So you should feel the stress being applied to your hamstring, your low back, working on opening up those areas this morning. And we can slowly raise our upper torso back up, coming out slowly out of this position. Keeping the blocks where they are, we're going to bring the sole of our feet together, placing the blocks underneath our knees for butterfly position. And once more, we're going to dive forward on our next exhale. Remembering that there is beauty and joy everywhere in your life if you know where to look for. So starting to be more open to the world around you and the experiences that you have on an ongoing basis. You will start to notice things that you weren't paying attention to before, that are quite beautiful, fantastic, and filled with joy. And we can slowly come back up out of this position. Placing the blocks aside, we're going to turn onto tabletop. And we're going to make our way down into Sphinx pose. So lowering yourself onto your belly, extending your legs. But this time I want you to point your toes outwards, towards the outside edge of your mat. And then we're going to place our elbows right underneath our shoulders, palms down onto the floor, and allow our low back to feel the stress of this position. And from here, we're going to bring the sole of our feet together up towards the ceiling, extending our arms and pushing into sill pose. Opening up the front of our body, our abdominal muscles, our heart chakra. Trying to see if you can loosen up your neck, drop down your shoulder blades, releasing your shoulders from curling up high into your neck. And we can slowly release. Come all the way down very slowly. And you can flare your elbows out and just bring your forehead to the back of your palms. Taking a little moment here. And now, very slowly, we're going to go back up onto tabletop position. And here, we're going to bring our big toes together behind our butt, flaring out our knees. We're going to go into wide knee child's pose. So sitting onto our heels with our knees outside the edges of our mat. We're going to take one big inhale. And on the exhale, once more, walk your fingertips forward. Allow your upper body to lower itself down and your forehead to come to rest. Sorry. Bringing back your focus to your breath once more. Trying to see if you can slow down your inhales and make your exhale longer. And on your next exhale, you can walk your hands backwards, raise your upper torso, and bring your knees back in. So I'm going to invite you to take the seated position. And we're just going to take a moment here to take a few breaths and bring back our body to neutral before we conclude today's morning practice. And you can slowly open your eyes. So I hope you enjoyed today's morning practice. And thanks for coming back onto your mat again to do a class with me. I really appreciate it. If you want to support me, you can subscribe, share this class with your friends and family members, or even donate to my PayPal account. It's very much appreciated. And until next time, yogis, let's put our hands at our heart. One big inhale, and on the exhale, make it long, release remaining tension in your body, allow everything to relax, and let's bound forward. Namaste. Bye guys, enjoy your day.